Henry, what is that?
Mommy, I'm making my own fishy snowman. It's my own.
Henry, what do you think of that snowman right there?
How dirty some of the snow is. Oh, look at your cute little snowman, Kate.
No, it's a fishy snowman.
Oh.
Fishy snowman.
I think it's a snowman.
Are you waving at that snowman, Hemsy? Wow. Go give that snowman a kiss.
Oh, my goodness.
Go give that snowman a hug and a kiss.
Give him kisses. Go give him kisses. You can go in the snow. Here, come here.
Snowman looks great.
Come over here, Hummus.
It looks what? All right.
Here, Dada.
Who
Dada.
wants a snowball? Thanks.
Give him a huggers. Give him huggers.